So on this week's meal prepping, I went to Track and Van Tills and they only have wonderful meat prices. I wouldn't suggest buying vegetables from there. But I got a thing of chicken, thin sliced chicken for $4.97, $5. I then got my salmon for dinner. I got like a pound, like 2 pounds. I mean, well, actually it says right here, I got a little over 2 pounds. 2.78 pounds for $25, so that wasn't bad. I got soy sauce. I got some all white eggs. Well, some eggs, liquid egg whites. I got spinach, 2 bags. I'm gonna have spinach salads this week. I have coconut milk instead of the almond milk. It's lower calories. I have tomatoes, and then I'm trying these spring vegetables. It is asparagus and ground peppercorn. It also looks like it has cucumber, squash, onions, carrots, all that good stuff. Then I have this harvest vegetables with red potatoes and garlic herb sauce. It also has snap peas, it looks like, and carrots as well. I then got green peppers, these large green peppers. They were on sale for 79 cents, I believe. I have these snap peas, green beans, or whatever they're called. I love steaming these and having these, incorporating them in my dinners. I bought smaller bananas because I want to make sure I'm eating 100 calories or less when I eat bananas. I then went to the Dollar Tree and bought a measuring cup and measuring spoons, as well as I got this from Strikes, but this Knorr chicken flavoring. Roslyn from my job put me on this. Fire! This was on sale for like $2. So I got that. So yeah. Oh, I also bought these containers from the Dollar Tree. They're amazing. They're amazing. So yeah. So now I start off by slicing my lemons to place on my salmon. Then I go ahead and take some Old Bay seasoning. Excuse me, my little sister sucks. It was so blurry. Then I take lemon pepper. Yes, just the Walmart kind. I got that garlic seasoning from Aldi's, as well as that garlic rub I created. I just mixed a couple things. If you are interested in seeing how I made that rub, make sure you comment in the comment section and I'll let y'all know. But then I just put aluminum foil in the pan and spray with coconut oil and just lay my salmon down, squeezing some fresh lemon juice on top, and then putting, making it beautiful. Gotta make it pretty, put some chives on the child. That spice up everything. That complete every kind of look. That's my favorite thing. Like, you cooking, like add that. So I'm gonna pop that bad boy in the oven, and now I'm going to season the chicken that's gonna go on my salad. So I'm basically using everything the same, except for the adobo and the Knorr, and then I just give it a twirl. I prep my pan with some green peppers, put them down, and get the aroma of the pan going crazy with flavor. And I put my chicken on there, and that's really how it looks when it's finished. Okay, so I did not film how I created the salad. If you all would like to see a tutorial on how I do create my salads, please comment that down below in the comment section, and I'll get on that. I know it looks delicious, but I just add the chicken I cooked right on top, and it's pretty much a 4-ounce piece of chicken, so it's like perfect proportions. But yeah, so that is how the salads look. I have almonds, strawberries, blueberries, chicken, green peppers, and yeah, tomatoes. So yeah, the salads would be my lunch, and then around 3 p.m. I eat the salmon, which I also pair with red potatoes and a bunch of green vegetables, If you all would like to see more of my meal prepping videos, just make sure you let me know down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.